Hi everyone, hope you are well with good health. You are watching Shama online cooking session and today we are preparing momos. Momos is a dumpling, we are steaming it and nowadays it is fried, served as well. And the motherland of the momos is at the Tibet, and from the Tibet slowly it spread to the oriental country, and now worldwide momos is very famous and various kind of the momos are served. You can prepare momo stuffing with the meat or the fish or any vegetables, or you can use soya granules. Today we are using our vegetables and it's very healthy as well. And I'm using for the momos upper layer is basic with the all-purpose flour, but always I am trying to make it healthy, so I am using here wheat flour. For that we require some vegetables, ginger garlic paste, onion, spring onion, some leaves of the spring onions, and momos chutney. So first we are starting with our momos chutney. For momos chutney I have taken here 3 tomatoes medium size and 8 red chilies. It's a dry red chilies you can see here, and I'm keeping in a pot, cooking pot, and adding half cup of water. So for momos chutney I have kept tomatoes and red chili on a cooker to cook it for 20 minutes on medium to low flame. Meanwhile we are preparing our upper layer. Here I have taken 2 cups of wheat flour. In wheat flour I'm using 1 tablespoon of normal oil. I have used here sunflower oil. You can use any oil, and salt per taste. Mix it well. Slowly add lukewarm water. So in 2 cups of wheat flour I have added here 1 cup of lukewarm water and knead dough. You can see dough is not too hard and not so soft, and after kneading dough I'm applying a little oil in my palm and just apply on the dough. Knead it properly. Our dough is ready here. I'm covering it and keeping it for 15 minutes to rest. Now we are preparing our stuffing, and for stuffing I'm using 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once our oil is hot, just spread it all over the bottom of the pot. I'm using here 1 teaspoon of shredded ginger, 1 teaspoon of shredded garlic, and saute it for 1 minute. After sauteing ginger and garlic, aroma starts to release. At the time I'm adding here 2 green chilies slanted I have chopped, and with the green chilies I'm using 1 tablespoon of spring onion white part. With this I'm using here 1 bowl. So here in 1 bowl I have 1 cup of shredded cabbage, half a cup of carrot, and half a cup of capsicum, bell pepper, with the 2 different colors I have used, yellow and green. So all is going in our pot. Season our stuffing. I am using here less than 1 tablespoon. So you can say 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, so after 5 minutes our tomatoes are tender and I'm peeling the skin of tomato. So here you can see our tomatoes I have peeled here, and if you have remember I had keep a cut here both the side so that we can peel our tomato easily. So I'm going to make a puree of this tomato and red chili. So here our tomato and red chili puree is ready, and we are preparing momos chutney. I'm adding again 1 tablespoon of olive oil. In olive oil I'm using 1 teaspoon of ginger, shredded and 1 teaspoon of garlic shredded. Stir it till aroma release. Once aroma start to release, I am adding here less than 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and less than 1 tablespoon of vinegar. With that, I am pouring this puree. 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup and salt per taste. Traditionally, our momos chutney is made like this, but I like sweet and sour, so I am using 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix this well and keep on medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes. So here you can see our sauce has started to boil here, and now it's time to switch off the flame. But instead of switching this flame off, I am just swapping and I'm keeping our steamer here. I have kept here 1 liter of water, and we are going to keep our momos on a steam. And for the momos, we divided our dough in different sizes. You can see here some are the small and some are the big, because we are making different shapes of momos. There are the various shapes of the momos. I'm showing you some of the different shapes of the momos here. First, let's start with the simple way. You can see here I have rolled this not too thin, not too thick. Now I'm using my cutter. For the stuffing, I'm applying water so our stuffing can stick properly. Less than 1 teaspoon of stuffing, and pinch it first from the center and then all over. This is one shape of the momos. Now I'm showing you second way. For the second shape, I'm using my glass. Cut it, apply water, slowly mix this both, join them. So this is the second shape of momos. And now third shape of our momos, I am using 3 different sizes of the balls. It's a small, medium and bigger. Now I'm going to roll all of them. So here you can see I have rolled 3 sizes, and now I'm applying water. After applying water, so here our rose momo is ready. So here our different shapes of the momos are ready. I have filled whole stuffing in it. Here water started to boil, and I have placed here some cabbage leaves. You can see, to avoid sticking momos, you can apply oil on the base instead of cabbage leaves, but I want the taste of the cabbage leaves while steaming. So first I'm placing rose momos. I'm placing all the momos. Only because of the cabbage leaves, it will take little longer time, like 25 minutes, and the taste of the cabbage will merge with the momo and it tastes delicious. So on medium to high flame, I will cook this momos till 20 to 25 minutes. So after 20 to 25 minutes, our momos are ready. You can see the layers of the momos gets transparent, and we can see vegetables. So it means momos are ready here. Here our momos are ready with the different shapes, and you can see it's not a white because we have used here our wheat flour, and wheat flour takes time to cook. So it takes 25 minutes to cook, and I have served here with momos chutney. Hope you all have enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. See you all next week. Till then, bye bye.